I'm going to tell you what Ozempic Face used to be and what it is really today. So Ozempic Face is the term given to facial sagging after you've lost weight from using medicines like Ozempic. And we initially thought that that was because of loss of facial fat, because fat helps keep our skin lifted. It gives structure to the face. But now what we're starting to realize is that Ozempic Face is also caused by loss of the mass of our facial muscles. So just like muscles in the rest of our body, we have facial muscles that also keep our skin lifted. So I would say Ozempic Face is a phenomena caused by weight loss with medicines like Ozempic or Mounjaro, caused by loss of fat and muscle. And this loss of muscle, the term for it is muscle sarcopenia, which we're also seeing in facial muscles. Reversing Ozempic Face involves a combination of treatments. So remember, when we think about what causes it, first is fat loss in the face, and you can really reverse that with a beautiful treatment called Sculptra, or polylactic acid is a biostimulator. It's an injection that's injected under the skin, which produces collagen to replace that lost fat and lift the skin. Second, muscle mass loss. So muscle mass loss can be reversed in a number of ways, which includes also eating more protein. Overall strength training. Believe it or not, strength training actually improves your muscle mass in the face. But if you were to use a device that does that, my favorite device is a device like XERF. XERF is a radiofrequency treatment, which essentially means a machine that delivers heat using radiofrequency deep into the muscle layer. This stimulates that layer and then causes it to essentially get stronger and start lifting skin with it.